Hi friends, I am Bindhya Shri of class 9A. Today I am going to do the activity of uniform circular path. First, take a piece of thread and place a ball on it. Now I am going to place my hand in the end of a thread. Now I am going to start rotating. If the body performs the motion with constant speed along a circular path, its motion is called uniform circular motion. The speed remains constant but not velocity. The direction of the velocity is different at each point on the circular path. Velocity is in the direction of the tangent drawn at any point. Do you know what is tangent? Tangent is nothing but tangent is a plane of a circle which inset in one point is called tangent. A formula of a uniform circular path is circumference by time. Instead of these ball and thread, we can say that another example is Earth revolves around the sun, and then a fan also. A fan rotating in the constant speed.